Introducing the rare Sony KVX 370 Watchcube. This set is the first and only standalone direct-view television receiver in the world to successfully utilize beam index technology for the consumer market. How did Sony do it? The ELECTRON tube is derived from 1950s engineering studies from the Philco Corporation. The ELECTRON tube was codenamed Apple by Philco, and Philco's work is an entire story unto itself. To appreciate what the ELECTRON can do, one needs a basic understanding on how color television was originally developed. After 34 years of development by Philco and others, the beam index tube was never successfully developed to a consumer application until the introduction of this set and the Sony projectors, Sony monitors and Hitachi viewfinders. During the 1980s, 7 products were developed by Sony, using ELECTRON technology. The first was in a projection TV because of its very bright light output. The FP60 with built-in Betamax VTR and the FP62 without VTR, which allowed plug-and-play operation. The second, this reviewed bedside combination color TV, alarm clock with on-screen display of the time and TV channels. Third, the IDX 5000 and IDX 7000 portable monitors, and additionally, auto monitors, ZAVU 50 and ZAVU 51. Prior to Sony's ELECTRON, only the Hitachi Corporation had marketed index tube technology in the form of miniature color CRTs for camcorder viewfinders. Display technology was making giant strides, and soon, large screen, hang on the wall, flat panel LCD and plasma displays would gain popular acceptance. Sony foresaw this trend and curtailed further ELECTRON development. The KVX 370, a most interesting engineering technology, was introduced January 1989 and retailed for $399. Go to my website, https://visionsfornetjournal.com/ELECTRON/ for detailed information on this television as well as other curiosities.
500. D. 1D, yeah, she found a nice roll here. She has $6,500. What do you want to do now?
I would like to buy a vowel.
Okay.
An O.
That is a vowel, and there is one. Yep, there it is.
Can I please buy an A?
3 A's. Okay, anything else?
I'm going to buy the U.
There is a U. Buy another if you want, or spin it and try to solve it. What do you want to do?
Can I please buy an E?
Yeah, there you go. That's the way to do it. All the vowels are gone. So, spin or solve? Oh, man. Boy, you did a lot of work, and what happened to you? I'm sorry. Melanie, it's your turn. $650.
W.
Well, there may be a W somewhere. Oh, yes, there it is. It's a matter of reading what's up there. Don't add anything. Go ahead.
C's, swans, team, thousand.
Yeah, that's it. $650. We're making $1,000. That's our minimum for a round. That's, I know it's chump change for you after that first round. But still, she has $20,950. And we'll be back and give away even more. Some things you can't ignore, you know. Fun and games, that's the category for this next round. There it is. And it's a prize puzzle round. Alessandro, you'll start. Oh, had some wheel issues here lately, Melanie. Well, that's not the worst time for that to happen. Jason, let's see what you can do. quite. 600. R. 4 R's. That'll help you score. All right, Jason, you have $3,700. What would you like to do next?
Like to buy a vowel?
Sure.
E.
2 E's.
Like to buy another vowel?
Yeah.
A.
There's an A. $700.
T.
You got it. 3 of those. Slug that up now. $5,300.
Like to buy a vowel?
Yes.
An I.
2 I's. Vanna gets back to work. $600.
An N.
Yeah, 2 N's. They've cracked the $6,000 barrier now.
Like to buy another vowel? O.
2 O's. Anything else?
Like to buy another vowel?
Okay. U. Well, that's the last of them. We know it's up there somewhere, and there it is, and that's it. Let's start with a letter.
G.
There are 2 G's. So the question is, you're going to do this express thing. No vowels left. You keep calling consonants, you get 1,000 for each one. We miss any letter, it's bankrupt. Jason, what do you think?
I'll write on the express, Pat.
All right. So, what letter do you want to start with?
H.
Yes, 2 H's. There they come. And now you have almost 10 grand. What next?
F.
Well, there's only one, I'm afraid. So here's the big question for you. What letter do you want next?
D.
No. So, Alessandra, it's your turn. 700.
M.
Nope. Melanie.
Can I solve?
Well, I'll be the judge of that. Go ahead.
Trekking through rainforest.
Yeah, that's it. That's a tricky word. Yeah, and we don't have a lot of double K words. Bookkeeper. Anyway, the point is that you have $20,950. Is that including the 1,000 that we just added? Well, we don't have to add 1,000 because you've got a price puzzle. Oh, the route took so long, I forgot. You're going to Central America.
Slice of paradise is a world apart. We're courtesy of Caravan.com. Delight in the natural splendor of Central America, ancient Mayan pyramids, and archaeological sites with expert guides. Relax by scenic mountain lakes and breathe in this vibrant culture. Visit Caravan.com. $6,000.
So, you go to Central America, we'll be back and play some more after this. Here's $26,950.
What's next? You can sponsored by. Did I start my...
I'm going to go shopping for that dog. $1 million, they just get goofy. I don't understand. Let's do another toss-up here. $3,000 at stake. Things, the category. Vanna, let's go. Jason.
Candles on the cake.
There you go. Put some money on your name, $3,000. I detect a little foreshadowing there. Rhyme time, that's the category for this next round. There it is. And the town means time is running short, so I'll give the wheel a final spin. Ask you to give me a letter. Also, 3 seconds to solve it. Vowels worth nothing. Consonants will add 1,000. It'll be worth $1,900 apiece. Again, it's rhyme time. And Jason, we start with you. A letter, please.
T.
Yeah, there are 5 of them. That's $9,500, just like that. Time starts when Vanna clears the puzzle. Alessandra, just a letter.
R.
No R. Melanie.
H.
2 H's. Jason.
S.
4 S's. Wow. Let's not talk about his money. It might take a minute.
Toast to the host.
You got it. Yes, sir. Who needs correcting, huh? Look what you got. $17,100 that added up to, and for your total, it's still second place, but it's all cash. What a night. $20,100. Congratulations. Now you have it. Well, you just couldn't get any momentum out here, and the wheel was not helpful at all. But you do have $1,000, and we sure enjoyed having you here. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Happy ballroom dancing. So, you hung on, huh?
I did.
What a night. She's got a great trip, lots of cash, $26,950 to go into the bonus round with one of these categories: phrase, thing, or people.
Phrase.
All right, we'll see how that choice works out. We'll come back here on our 7,000. You ready to do this thing? Spin the wheel. Somewhere out there is $100,000, you know. Thank you very much. We're going to stop right here. You pull up right on that blue mark and work on this puzzle, which tonight is a phrase. R-S-T-L-N-E. That's the category you chose. But we got a phrase. And just a couple of letters, huh? Let's fill some more in. 3 more consonants. 1 more vowel.
M.
1.
C.
2.
G.
And a vowel.
O.
All right. What do we got here? Well, this is interesting. You have a phrase. Looks like one trouble spot. See if you can work through it. 10 seconds. Good luck.
So much game, so much time, so much love, so much.
So little time. You needed one more letter to have a shot at that. The H or the P didn't happen. I'm sorry. And we couldn't give you the Mercedes. That's awfully nice. Well, before you all too much, she has $26,950 cash prize. Thanks for being here on this special night. We're great having you with us. Stay right here. Dan and I, a cast of thousands. We'll be back.
This is Jeopardy! Let's meet today's contestants. A journalist from Arlington, Virginia, Roy Haydar. A graduate student from Vancouver, British Columbia, Canada, Jennifer Gable. And our returning champion, a teacher from Minneapolis, Minnesota, Sam Kavanaugh. 5-day cash winning total $156,202. And now, here is the host of Jeopardy, Alex Trebek.
Thank you, Johnny. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. A good geographic representation with our 3 players today. The East, the West, and the Center. Good luck, players. Let's see how it all works out. Now the categories for the Jeopardy round, starting off with new sheriff in town. You better believe it. We'll deal with fiction. Hey, how are you getting around? We want you to name the mode of transport. You're going to love this one. Fashion don'ts. Abbreviated TV channels, and finally, words. Sam.
Getting around 400.
Fulton's Claremont. Roy, what is a T? Jennifer.
What is Black Entertainment Television?
That's it.
Fiction for 200.